Well, now imagine once, because this will basically be a straight shot line, so you won't have this sight line break here, and this will be. We just finished day one of demo. I'm actually splitting the demo for this project into 2 phases, and the reason being is I wanted to open things up so the engineer can come in and take a look. We've got a funny thing happening where the structural plans for this home do not match what actually exists in this home. And so our engineer needs to do a site visit. And so I wanted to open things up so he could see everywhere we want to make changes. So right now, the biggest thing for me is verifying all of my measurements because I want to get my Shenandoah cabinetry ordered. I need to get into Lowe's, work with the rep to finalize that, to start to build this out. And I'm doing it in a cost-effective way. I don't need to move the sink. I might be moving the outlet for our oven just slightly, but I'm trying to keep this footprint pretty much the same. We also left all of the outlets because those don't really need to shift. There's money savings there. So anytime you don't have to move things behind the wall, you're saving money. And so I'm really working hard to try to make sure I can save as much of that as possible. On this side, already just having this broken through, you're starting to get an idea of just how fantastic the space is going to feel. My largest concern here is if any of this is load bearing. It doesn't seem to be, but I am not an engineer. So that's going to be a big piece. This is all plumbing. We're going to be moving that plumbing over to a front closet to open this up because we want to put in a French door and just have the whole kitchen feel open. We also are widening this opening as well. We're keeping the casing in. I like this. I like the little bit of divide between the spaces. It gives a bit of separation that I think is needed, but even taking this out this much, you've got so much better sight line right here. So day one of demo, I'm very pleased with. I am a little nervous about what's load bearing, a little nervous about how I'm going to work with this wall if it is load bearing and we don't have the budget to change it. But that's why you stick around, find out what we do. Coming from this point on, I think we're going to be smooth sailing, but famous last words.